Okay, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Uh, Now, the first thing you do is you check solution. Now, what is the difference between 49 and 52? They gave me 4 raised to power 52 times 25 raised to power 49. Okay, so now you see that 52 is exactly 4 raised to power the same 49 plus 3. Okay, this same 49 plus 3, so times 25 raised to power 49. Okay, so now according to indices, this is simple as saying 4 raised to power 49, okay, times 4 raised to power 3, okay, then times what, 25 raised to power what, 49. Now this is going to be 4 raised to power, this is 64, so I have 64 times 4 raised to power 49, then times 25 raised to power what, 49. Now according to indices, you can put the both of them in brackets because they have 49 in common. So this is 64 times in bracket of 4 times 25, then raised to power 49. Okay, so now to finish it up, I'm going to have that this is 64 times, this time this is 100, so 100 raised to power what, 49. Right, now to break this down, this is now 64, sorry, this is 64 times 10 raised to power 2, then all bracket what, 49. So this is 64 times 10 raised to power, uh, this is a this is 98, right? 98. So according to standard form, you put point here and move to the left, you are adding 1 here. Okay, so it's going to be 6.4 times 10 raised power what, 99. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.